Welcome guys back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to crochet this granny square simple and relaxing pattern even for beginners. For this tutorial you will need 4.5 mm crochet hook and any medium weight yarn. Today I am using a Bernard Premium from Yarn Inspirations. It is medium weight yarn and 100% acrylic. So you will need two colors here. I like the color combination like beige and black or white and black. So try it as well. And let's start. Make a matching ring, slip knot and chain 3. Count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet, the first one. Now 2 more double crochet into the circle. 1 and 2, so in total 3. Now chain 2, again 3 double crochet into the circle. 1, 2, 3. Repeat again, chain 2, again 3 double crochet into the center. And for the last time, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And now pull the tail, and to join, instead of chain 2, we make a half double crochet. So make a yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain of the beginning chain 3, pull the yarn through, and when you have 3 loops on the hook, if you are not going to change the color, you just grab the working yarn and pull through all 3 loops. Here I want to change the color, so I grab black color and pull through 3 loops on the hook. So the first round is done. Now single crochet into the same space and turn. Make a turn clockwise. Now chain, let's pull this tail only. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And make single crochet into the same space, into the corner. And here it is. Now chain 3. Skip next 3 double crochet and work into the chain 2 space here. Make 1 single crochet, then chain 3 and single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now again chain 3 and work into the next corner, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and again single crochet into the same chain 2 space. And repeat again. Chain 3, skip next 3 double crochet and work into the next corner, single crochet, chain 3, and 1 more single crochet into the same space. Chain 3 and join here into the first single crochet. Here it is. Make a slip stitch. turn the work again clockwise, grab the previous color yarn and pull through the working chain. Now make single crochet into the chain 3 space, this one that we did at the beginning of the second round. So you need to return a little bit back. Make single crochet and chain 2. Again, count it as 1 double crochet. Now work 2 more double crochet into the same chain 3 space. Great. Into the next chain 3 space, make 3 double crochet. Then into the corner here, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into the same corner. And repeat 3 double crochet in next chain 3 space. Now corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 2 already, and then 3 more double crochet into the same space. Perfect. And repeat again. So 3 double crochet in next chain 3 space. Then corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and 3 double crochet in next chain 3 space. At the end we need to finish the corners that we started at the beginning, so 3 double crochet, and instead of chain 2 here we are going to join with half double crochet. So make a yarn over, insert the hook into the top of starting chain 3, go up a loop, grab the black color and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Now make 1 single crochet into the same space here and turn. Chain 3, make 1 single crochet into the same space. Now make chain 3 and work between 2 double crochet groups here, then here, then next into the corner, then again between 2 double crochet groups here, here, and corner again. So make a single crochet, chain 3, then work between next 2 double crochet groups, chain 3, and work into the corner in chain 2 space, single crochet, then chain 3, and again single crochet into the same space, chain 3, continue working between next 2 double crochet groups, 1 single crochet, then again chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, work in chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 3, and 1 more single crochet into the same space. So I hope it's clear. Then again chain 3, single crochet here, chain 3, single crochet here, then chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and so on. Again at the end make chain 3 and join to the first single crochet with slip stitch. Great. Turn, grab the beige color and pull the yarn through the working loop. Pull as well a little bit black tail. Now we need to work again into this corner. So here it is. Work single crochet and chain 2, and we count it as 1 double crochet. Then work into the same space 2 more double crochet. 1, 2. Now we work 3 double crochet in each chain 3 space. 3 double crochet here. Then 3 double crochet in next chain 3 space. Again 3 double crochet in next chain 3 space. Here everything is easy, so we repeat. Only the corner will be different. So we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet to form the next corner. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet into the same space. One side is ready, and repeat 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet here, here in the corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So go on repeating till the end. At the very end, do not forget to add 3 more double crochet into the first space and join with half double crochet, changing the color. Repeat the pattern until desired square size. At the very end, I want to show you how to finish the very last round. Make chain 1, only chain 1 here. Here we do not join with half double crochet as we did. Then take the yarn needle or tapestry needle, find the top chain of starting chain 3, here it is, and pull the yarn underneath both loops from front to back. After that, return to the last chain, that chain 1 that we did, and insert the needle right into the center. And in this way we form the second chain. Pull a little bit and so it looks almost invisible. Now weave in the tails and you're done. Cut the yarn. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment how you're going to use these granny squares. And if you're looking for written instructions, check my blog. Bye!